Welcome to Oscar Island Style, your virtual gateway to a culinary paradise where the flavors of the tropics come to life in every dish. I'm your host, Oscar, and I'm here to take you on a mouth-watering journey through the vibrant and exotic world of island-inspired cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, you've come to the right place to explore the tantalizing tastes and rich cultural heritage of island cuisine. From sizzling jerk chicken to refreshing coconut-infused cocktails, we've got it all covered. So, grab your apron, dust off your taste buds, and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will transport you to the sunny shores of the Caribbean, the Pacific, and beyond. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious moment on Oscar Island Style. Jamaican jerk pork is a popular and flavorful dish that originates from Jamaica. It is known for its distinctive combination of spicy, sweet, and smoky flavors, which are achieved through a unique cooking method and a special blend of seasonings known as jerk seasoning. Here's a basic recipe for Jamaican jerk pork. Ingredients. The complete list of ingredients are in the description. For the jerk seasoning: 2 tablespoons ground allspice, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 1 tablespoon dried thyme, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, adjust for spice preference, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 cup chopped scallions, green onions, 1/4 cup chopped fresh thyme leaves, 3 to 4 Scotch bonnet peppers, seeds and stems removed, adjust for spice preference, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, juice of 2 limes, juice of 1 orange. For the pork: 3 to 4 pounds pork shoulder or pork butt, cut into large pieces. You can also use your favorite type of pork chops. Cooking instructions. In a food processor or blender, combine all the jerk seasoning ingredients: allspice, brown sugar, garlic powder, dried thyme, paprika, cayenne pepper, black pepper, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, scallions, fresh thyme, Scotch bonnet peppers, soy sauce, vegetable oil, lime juice, and orange juice. Blend until you have a smooth paste. Place the pork pieces in a large bowl and pour the jerk seasoning paste over the meat. Use your hands or a spoon to thoroughly coat the pork with the seasoning. Make sure to get the seasoning into any crevices or cuts in the meat. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or aluminum foil and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow the flavors to penetrate the meat. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat, around 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 to 190 degrees Celsius. If using a charcoal grill, create a 2-zone fire by pushing the coals to one side. Remove the pork from the marinade and thread it onto skewers if you have them. If not, you can place the pork directly on the grill grates. Grill the pork over direct heat for about 15 to 20 minutes per side, or until it's cooked through and has a nice char on the outside. You can also use a meat thermometer to ensure the internal temperature reaches at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius. If you want extra smokiness, you can add some soaked wood chips, like pimento or oak, to the grill while cooking. Once the pork is done, remove it from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Serve your Jamaican jerk pork with traditional sides like rice and peas, fried plantains, or coleslaw. Jamaican jerk pork is a delightful and spicy dish that captures the essence of Jamaican cuisine. Adjust the level of spice to your liking by controlling the amount of Scotch bonnet pepper used in the marinade. Enjoy! That's a wrap for today's island-inspired culinary journey. my fellow flavor enthusiasts. I hope you enjoyed this taste of paradise and are now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to bring a bit of island magic to your own kitchen. Remember, the beauty of island cooking lies not only in the ingredients but also in the spirit of sharing and celebration. So, if you whipped up one of our recipes, share it with #OscarIslandStyle on social media, and let's create a virtual feast together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delectable island delights, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest gastronomic adventures. Until next time, may your dishes be flavorful, your spirits be high, and your hearts be as warm as a tropical sunset. Farewell, my friends, and keep the island vibes alive. Oscar Island Style.